In a world where outdoor adventures, remote work, and off-grid living are on the rise, the Anker SOLIX C1000 stands out as a compact, rugged power station ready for anything. Whether you're camping under the stars, powering a drone shoot, or bracing for a power outage at home, the C1000 delivers reliable energy you can count on. Big thanks to Anker for sending this over, but as always, you're getting our honest, unfiltered opinion. If you're interested, the purchase link is in the description. Let's take a look at what's inside the box. Inside the box, you'll find the Anker SOLIX C1000 portable power station, AC charging cable, solar panel connector, car charging cable, and user manual. The SOLIX C1000 packs 1,056 watt-hours of capacity with 1,800 watts of continuous output and surge pad technology for peak loads up to 2,400 watts, meaning you can run 99% of home appliances and outdoor gear. It features 11 ports, including multiple AC outlets, USB-C, USB-A, and a car socket, so you can power everything from a laptop and camera gear to a coffee maker or fridge simultaneously. It's also a great fit for creators and remote workers thanks to built-in UPS functionality, which helps prevent sudden shutoffs and protects sensitive devices during outages. Charging is incredibly fast. With HyperFlash technology, you can go from 0 to 80% in just 43 minutes and hit a full charge in under an hour using a wall outlet. Prefer off-grid energy? The C1000 supports up to 600 watts of solar input, which can fully recharge the unit in as little as 1.8 hours. And with Smart App Control, you can fine-tune your charging settings and monitor usage in real time from anywhere. Despite its power, the C1000 is about 15% smaller than comparable units, making it a surprisingly portable choice for its class. It's built with LiFePO4 batteries, rated for 3,000 cycles, and features industry-grade components, smart temperature regulation, and a durable shell that's built for the outdoors, giving up to 10 years of reliable use. And if you need more runtime, just connect the optional expansion battery to double your capacity. The C1000 currently holds an average rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars. Customers love its fast charging speeds, rugged build, and how well it powers everything from essential appliances to sensitive electronics. Users also appreciate the compact size and intuitive app, with many calling it one of the best values in its category for the performance it delivers. Whether you're camping, traveling in an RV, or preparing for emergencies at home, the Anker SOLIX C1000 gives you fast, flexible, and dependable power wherever your next adventure takes you.